Good afternoon class. Today we discuss about the simple machine. Machines play a very important role in our life. We can do a large number of jobs with our own hand. However, our hand are not sufficient to do all kinds of job. For example, we cannot cut a tree with our hands. We need an axe. In this case, the axe is a kind of machine. Machines are basically employed for the following purpose, such as to lift a heavy load by applying a small efforts, that is to multiple efforts, and speed up the motion of body to change the efforts in the desired direction and for doing unsafe and dangerous work. So we can see that a machine is a device which help us to lift heavy load or speed up the motion or change the direction force in a desired direction. In another word, tools and objects that help us to perform the less amount of work with less effort than if we did the work manually are called machine. Tools such as spoon, knives, hammer are called simple machine because most of them have few or no moving part. Now we discuss about some terms related to machines. Now first we discuss the first term is efforts. The force applied on a machine to do some mechanical work are called efforts. Next is load. The weight moved or resistance overcome by a machine in doing some mechanical work are called load. And fulcrum is a fixed point or an axial around which a machine turns in doing mechanical work. Now again I repeated, the fixed point about which the lever can rotate is a fulcrum. The object to be lifted or moved with the help of lever is called load, and the force applied on the lever is called effort. Fixed point about which the lever can rotate is called fulcrum. Okay, the object to be lifted or moved with the help of lever is called load. Now we discuss about load arm and effort arm. The perpendicular distance between the effort point and the fulcrum of machine is the effort arm, and the perpendicular distance between the load point, the perpendicular distance between the load point and the fulcrum of a machine is a load arm. The energy supplied to the machine for doing mechanical work is called input energy, and output energy is a useful work done or the energy produced by a machine. So output energy is the produced energy by a machine and the input energy supplied to the machine. Now next one, principle of machine. For an ideal machine, the output energy, output work is always equal to the input work. The principle of a lever states that the product of load and the load arm is always equal to the product of the effort and effort arm. Okay. So we can say that for an ideal machine, output energy is always equal to the input energy. That means output work is always equal to the input work. Now we can discuss about efficiency of machine. What do you understand by efficiency of machine? The ratio between the output energy of machine to the input energy of machine is called efficiency of machine. The work done by a machine is called output energy, and the work done on a machine is called input energy. So the ratio of work done by a machine to the work done on a machine is called efficiency of machine. Efficiency is generally expressed in a percentage. So efficiency is a ratio. Efficiency of a machine is a type of ratio between the output energy and input energy. Thank you, class.